Psych2Go is a digital media organization that raises mental health awareness by presenting psychological topics in a digestible and relatable manner. Please share our content with those who need it.
Today's video is very important. We hope you find it truly helpful by the end of it. After going through so many comments on our 11 traits of people who have suffered too much, we realized a video like this is much needed. We hope that the million of you who watched it will benefit. Have you ever carried the weight of a past mistake, a missed opportunity, or a difficult experience, allowing it to echo in your mind long after it's passed? If you found yourself caught in the loop of self-blame, constantly replaying what you should have done, you're not alone. This journey through hardship often leaves behind more than just memories. It can leave scars of guilt or regret that are tough to heal. But here's a comforting thought. Just as pain can build unexpected strengths, learning to forgive yourself is one of the most profound acts of self-love and liberation you can ever embark on. It's not about condoning past actions, but about releasing yourself from their emotional grip so you can truly thrive. Today, we're going to gently explore some actionable steps to navigate the path of self-forgiveness and transform your hardship into foundations for a brighter, more resilient future. 1, acknowledge your pain. Don't suppress it. It's natural to want to push away uncomfortable feelings like guilt, shame, or remorse. We might tell ourselves to just get over it or pretend certain events didn't affect us. But think of your emotions like a river. If you dam it up, the pressure builds, and eventually it overflows in unexpected ways. When you've suffered or feel you've made a mistake, the first step toward healing is to acknowledge that pain, those feelings, without judgment. Say to yourself, I feel guilty about X, or I'm sad about Y, or I regret Z. This isn't about wallowing, it's about validating your own experience. You know what it's like to feel deeply, and giving space to these emotions is your mind's way of processing them. It's an act of courage to face what hurts, and it's okay to feel it all. 2, understand the why behind your actions. Sometimes when we look back, our past actions can seem baffling or even foolish, but hindsight is always 20/20. Take a moment to consider the circumstances you were in at that time. What were your intentions? What resources did you have? What were you trying to achieve, even if imperfectly? Perhaps you were young, inexperienced, overwhelmed, or acting out of fear. This isn't about making excuses. It's about gaining perspective. Often we did the best we could with the knowledge and tools we had at the moment. Recognizing this context allows you to view your past self with more compassion rather than the harsh judgment of your present self. You're a human being navigating a complex world. 3, separate yourself from your actions. It's easy to internalize mistakes and declare, I am a failure or I am a bad person. But your actions, however regrettable, do not define your entire being. You are not the mistakes you made. You are the person who made a mistake. There is a crucial difference. Imagine your actions as individual brushstrokes on the canvas of your life. While some might be messy or in the wrong color, they don't represent the entire masterpiece that is you. Your essence, your potential, your inherent worth, these remain intact. This separation helps you critically evaluate the action without demolishing your self-worth in the process. This isn't a flaw in your character. It's a behavior that can be learned from. 4, practice self-compassion daily. If a close friend came to you confessing a mistake or struggling with hardship, how would you respond? Likely with kindness, understanding, and encouragement. Yet when it comes to ourselves, we often default to harsh criticism. Self-compassion is about extending that same warmth and understanding to yourself. It's about recognizing that suffering and imperfection are part of the shared human experience. Try speaking to yourself as if you would a dear friend. When you notice self-critical thoughts, gently reframe them. You can say, this is a difficult moment and it's okay to feel this way. Or, I'm doing my best and I'm learning. Even a few minutes a day of kind self-talk can build a powerful inner sanctuary. 5, make amends, if possible and healthy. Sometimes the path to self-forgiveness involves reaching out to others. If your past actions harmed someone else, a sincere apology or a genuine effort to make amends can be a vital step. This is not about erasing what happened. It's about taking responsibility and showing your growth. However, it's important to approach this with wisdom. Not all situations require or benefit from direct amends, especially if it might cause further harm to yourself or others. Your primary focus should always be on genuine internal resolution. This step is about integrity, not seeking external validation. If direct amends aren't possible, consider making indirect amends by contributing positively to the world in other ways, reflecting the changes you've made within. 6, learn and grow from experience. Every difficulty, every misstep holds a lesson. It might not be immediately obvious, but when you look closely, hardship often serves as a powerful, albeit painful, teacher. What insights have you gained? How have you changed for the better because of what you've been through? Perhaps you've learned the importance of clear communication, the value of boundaries, or the strength of your own resilience. Your past doesn't have to be a burden. It can be a source of wisdom. This isn't a flaw in your story. It's a chapter that forged your deeper understanding and empathy. Embrace the lessons and let them empower your choices moving forward. 7, set healthy boundaries for your future self. Once you've processed your past hardship or mistake, you'll gain valuable insight into how to protect yourself and your well-being in the future. This is where setting healthy boundaries comes in. What situations or patterns led to the past difficulty? How can you prevent a recurrence? Perhaps it's learning to say no more often, choosing healthier relationships, or prioritizing your mental health. You don't need to build walls of fear, but constructing protective fences that safeguard your peace and growth, that's the goal. By honoring these boundaries, you're not just preventing future pain, you're actively creating a life where you can flourish, demonstrating a profound respect for your evolved self. In a world that often demands perfection, it's easy to feel inadequate when we stumble. But the truth is, imperfection is an intrinsic part of the human experience. To err is to human. Every single person on this planet has made mistakes, faced hardships, and experienced regret. This isn't a justification for harmful behavior, but it's a gentle reminder that you are part of a vast, complex, imperfect tapestry that is humanity. Your journey with all its ups and downs makes you unique, compassionate, and wise. And this is a testament to your journey. Releasing the need for perfection frees up immense energy that can be channeled into growth and joy. Forgiving yourself is not a single event. It's a continuous, evolving process, a journey of understanding, compassion, and release. It means acknowledging your past, learning from it, and choosing to walk forward with a lighter heart, knowing that you are worthy of peace and happiness. Your ability to move through hardship and emerge with greater self-understanding is a testament to your incredible resilience. Life has tested you, but it hasn't defeated you. It's shaped you into someone stronger, more empathetic, and ultimately more capable of thriving. This grace isn't reserved for a select few. It's for everyone, and that includes you. We hope these steps offer you comfort and guidance on your path. What has helped you on your own journey of self-forgiveness? Share your insights in the comments below. Your experience might be exactly what someone else needs to hear. Also, for the previous comment about doing more videos on derealization, we did an interview with the Therapy in a Nutshell here as well. We hope that it can provide additional resources for you. As always, thank you for watching, and if our video has made a difference for you, we would really appreciate it if you could subscribe for more content like this. In return, we'll keep doing more and more content that's based on the requests of our community.